How to review your box on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your box on Facebook Mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down, click settings and privacy, and then click settings, go down, click activity log, and now profile information, and then box. Here you can review your box on Facebook Mobile, and that's how to review your box on Facebook Mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.